Comparing with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, we get a equals to 3, b equals to minus 5, c equals to minus 11, d equals to minus 3. Now we are going to see the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha? 3, beta minus 1, gamma minus 1 upon 3. How much is that? 3 plus minus 1. Okay. Now 3 plus minus 1 will give me 2 minus 1 upon 3. It will give me 2 minus 1 upon 3. When I take LCM, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1, 5 upon 3. That is going to give me 5 upon 3. Now 5 upon 3 I can also write as minus of minus 5 upon 3, which is nothing but minus 5 is your b. So minus of b upon e. Minus of b upon e. Till you clear? Then we have alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That is 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 upon 3 plus minus minus 1 upon 3 into 3. 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 3 into 3. So now 3 into minus 1 is going to become minus 3. Minus into minus is going to become plus 1 upon 3, and this is going to cancel and become minus 1. 3 and 3 will cancel and will become minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 plus 1 upon 3, which is minus 11 upon 3, which is minus 11 upon 3, which is nothing. Minus 11 is c, which is c upon a, which is nothing but c upon a. And then we have alpha into beta into gamma, which is 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 upon 3. So minus and minus will cancel, 3 and 3 will cancel. So we are left with minus and minus will cancel, 3 and 3 will cancel. So we are left with 1, which can also be written as 3 upon 3, which can be written as d upon e. So this verifies the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Okay, that is d upon e. Copy till here. Cubic polynomials will not be there from your board exam point of view, but you should still be aware. Copy this. Once done, let me know. Then we will look at division algorithm. That's going to be the next important part. Let me know once you have finished this. Once you have done, then we'll proceed further. You copy कर लो, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे हम. Finished, Riza? Copy it, then we'll proceed further. Once you have done, please let me know. Aha, that's finished. Okay. Riza, let me know once you have done. Okay, both of you have done good. So now let's look at a different this thing that we were supposed to do. As I said, division of polynomials. Division of polynomials. How are we going to go about that? Okay. Now, supposing it's a cubic polynomial, that means it has three zeros. A cubic polynomial, just now we have seen, is having three zeros. So if it has three zeros and you are given one of the three zeros, can you find the other two? That is the question. Supposing a cubic polynomial having three zeros, of which one zero is given to you. Can you find the other two zeros? That is the question. Okay. For example, let's take x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square minus 2x plus minus 2x plus, sorry, minus x plus 3. X cube, this is the cubic polynomial. X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Okay, of which they have given you one of its zeros is one of the zeros is 1. You have to find the other two zeros. Now the method to go about that is very simple. First we'll say one of the zeros is 1, that is x minus 1 is a 0. X minus 1, sorry, x equal to 1 is a 0. X equal to 1 is a 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. If they have given you the 0, you say x is equal to that. That is the 0. Shift that to the right hand side. When you shift 1 to the left hand side, it will become x minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. So what do? We take x minus 1 as a factor, and rather x minus 1 as a factor, and we divide x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. We have done this last year, division of polynomials. Okay, so we just divide this. Okay, what further? I have to have x cube over here. There is x, so I have to multiply by an x square. So x square into x is going to give me x square into minus 1 is minus x square. Subtract, so this will become minus plus. X cube minus x cube is going to become minus 3x square plus 1x square is minus 2x square. Minus x plus 3 comes down as it is. Minus x plus 3 comes down as it is. Okay. Then I want minus 2x square. Here there is only x. So I have to multiply by minus 2x. Minus 2x into x will give me minus 2x square. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2x. Subtract, signs will change, plus and minus. Minus 2x square plus 2x square. Minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Bring this 3 as it is. Bring this 3 as it is. Now, x is here, x is also here, but here x has minus 3 ahead of it. So I'll have to multiply by minus 3. Minus 3 into x gives me minus 3x. Minus 3 into minus 1 gives me plus 3. Subtract, this will become plus, this will become minus. 3x minus 3x plus 3x 0, plus 3 minus 3 0. Remainder is 0. So we get, okay, so we are going to write x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 equals to dividend divisor into quotient plus remainder. Since it is 0, we don't have to write that remainder. Now this I am going to factorize further by splitting the middle term. So this will become equals to x minus 1 will remain as x minus 1. This 2x I can write as I want minus 2x. So I'm going to write it as x square minus 3x plus x minus 3. Now just split up. Minus 3 plus 1 will give me minus 2. And 3 into 1 is going to give me minus. From this, I can remove x common. So this will be x minus 1, x into bracket x minus 3. From this, nothing is common. So 1, x minus 3. X minus 1. And from here, x minus 3 is common. And the remainder is x plus 1. So this is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 3 into x plus 1. You can write it, the order can change. You can write x minus 1 before x minus 3, doesn't matter. But that is how you can find out the 3 factors. So you can now find the other 3 zeros. You'll equate all of them to 0. So you'll have x minus 1 equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 3 equal to x plus 1 equal to 0. So using that, we will get x equal to 1, or x equal to 3, or x equal to minus 1. We'll say x minus 1 equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 1 equal to. Now if x minus 1 is equal to 0, x equals to 1, or x equals to, bring this minus 3, and here x equals to. So these are the 3 zeros that for the cubic polynomial, which we can find out even if only 1 is given. To begin with, only 1 0 was given. We have found out the other 2 zeros also. So this is the method to find that out. Okay, to find out the other zeros even if 1 is given. That means we have to first divide it. Okay, like we had learned last time, the factor theorem and the remainder theorem. Factor theorem and remainder theorem. When the remainder is 0, that means the dividend, if the remainder is 0, then the divisor is a factor of the dividend. If the remainder is 0, then the divisor is a factor of the dividend. Copy till here, then we'll proceed further. And let me know once you all have finished copying. So going forward, okay, let's look at another example. Divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Divide 3x cube plus x square. Divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5. We have to divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Divide by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Okay. Now, for that, what we are going to do is, over here only we'll do the division. Now we do not write 1 plus 2x plus x square, but we write x square plus 2x plus 1. In the decreasing order, we write it in the decreasing order of the degree of the variable. Decreasing order of the degree of the variable. So we have to divide. So x square, I'll have to multiply by another x, I'll get x cube and 3. So I multiply by 3x. 3x into x square gives me 3x cube. 3x into 2x gives me 6x square. And 3x into 1 gives me 3x. 3x into 1 gives me 3x. Since now I'll subtract, so all signs will change. 3x cube minus 3x cube will be 0. X square minus 6x square is minus 5x square. 2x minus 3x is minus x plus x plus 5. X square is already there. I just want minus 5 before it. So multiply by minus 5. Minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10x. Minus 10x. Plus 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 10x minus 5. Subtract. So again, signs will change. 5x square plus 5x square minus 5x square, 0. Minus x plus 10x is plus 9x. And plus 5 plus 5 is plus 10. Now here, this is x and this is already x square. So the power of the divisor is more than this, so no division possible. So this remains as the remainder. This remains as the remainder. Okay. Here it is not a factor, but it remains as a remainder. Okay. So we can say in this case, 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 equals to x square plus 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 5 plus 9x plus 10. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So by doing division, we get dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, copy this. We'll see one more. This is basically your division algorithm. This is Px. Okay, so we can say P of x, that is polynomial in x, equals to divisor, that is another polynomial, then quotient plus remainder, all of them in x. Okay, g of x into q of x plus r of x. Basically, since it is in polynomial, we write it like this. Otherwise, we have already done this in lower classes, which says dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Is this clear? Copy this. Then we will see one more sum of this type. That will still not finish the chapter. That's not a problem. We have actually 2 more to see, but we will, whatever time permits. Let's see. Please copy this. Once you have done, please let me know. I think not today, but Saturday, inshallah, we'll finish with this chapter. After that, please let me know what chapter is being done in any of your schools. Otherwise, we will begin with the third chapter. If there is any chapter that is being done in your school or has been done in your school and we have not done, we will try and do that first. Otherwise, we will go sequentially. That is the third chapter, which is pair of linear equation in two variable. We will start on Tuesday or Saturday also itself. Saturday को जो नया chapter start करना है, that can be pair of linear equations. Okay, or if there is some other chapter which has been done in your schools, then we'll try and do that. So do let me know if there is anything that has been done in your school. Okay, third chapter, that's the same beta. That's the same chapter, Kihan. How many chapters have they done in your school, Kihan? They've done only the first, second chapter, or first, second, third. How many chapters have they done in school? Riza, I believe nothing has been done in your school. If there has been anything done, please let me know. Ahad, anything done in your school? Kihan, how many chapters done in your school? The chapter numbers also, if you can tell me, we'll do. 1, 2, 3. Fine. We have finished 1, 2. We'll do 3 after this then. Okay. Riza and Ahad, I believe nothing till now, so no problem. So then we'll go sequentially. So tomorrow, that is on Saturday, we'll finish this chapter and we'll start with the third chapter. Okay. All of you done till here? If this is done, then we'll proceed further. Can I erase this? Riza done? All of you have done, so we'll do the next one. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus x square. X minus 1 minus x square. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. Now, we will follow the same steps, but as we had seen in 9th standard, while we are going to do division, important thing is we have to write the polynomial in the decreasing order of the indices. Decreasing order of their indices. So x cube has to come first, but the sign is minus, so it will be minus x cube, then x square plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. I have to write it in this order, otherwise I'll not get it right. Okay, so I've done this. Same thing I'm going to do for the divisor. Again, I want square term first, so minus x square plus x minus 1. Not change the signs. x square को पहले लिखा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं x square minus x minus 1 नहीं, x square का साइन minus x है, तो यहाँ पर minus x square ही लिया है. x cube का साइन minus है, तो यहाँ पर minus x cube ही लिखा है. 3x square plus है, तो यहाँ पर plus ही आया है. That is important. If you do not take the signs properly, you will make a mistake. Many people end up ये तो कर लेते हैं लेकिन साइन गलत लिख देते हैं. क्या लिखेंगे? x square minus x minus 1, तो वो गलत हो जाएगा. Okay, it is not x square plus x minus x minus 1, but it is minus x square plus x minus 1. Now I want here one more x and minus is there. Minus यहाँ पर भी है, तो सिर्फ एक x से multiply करो. X into x square is minus x into x is x square, and x into this is what I get when I multiply. x with. So when I multiply with that, subtract. This will become plus, this will become minus, this will become plus. Signs will change. Minus at the plus at the minus, minus at the plus. X cube minus x cube plus x cube plus 3x square minus 1x square is plus 2x square. Plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2x square minus 2x plus 5. Okay, so 2x square minus 2x plus 5. Now x square है, यहाँ पर भी x square है, plus 2 चाहिए, so multiply by minus 2 because minus into minus is going to make it plus. So minus 2 into minus is going to make it plus 2. Okay, so when I multiply it by minus 2, I'll get plus 2x square. Minus into plus is minus 2x. Minus into minus is plus 2. Subtract, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Plus 2x square minus 2x square, 0. Minus 2x plus 2x, 0. Plus 5 minus 2 is 3. So I get a remainder 3. I get a remainder 3 over here. In this case, the remainder is 3. We cannot go beyond this because here the variable or the degree of x is 0, which is less than the square. So we stop our division over here. We said this is the remainder. Okay, we say this is the remainder. So what do we say? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to, so what is the dividend? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to minus x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3. Okay, that is what we say. And if they ask you to verify, you expand this and show that you get as the quotient. Okay, so what we will do when you have to expand this, we'll say x into x cube is minus x cube. X into x is plus x square. X into minus 1 is minus. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into x square is plus 2x square. Minus into minus 2x plus 2 plus 3. X cube will remain as it is. Plus x square plus 2x square will give you plus 3x square. Minus x minus 2x will give you minus 3x, and this will be plus 5, which is your. Is that clear? So it shows dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Copy the entire sum. There is just one example that is left, which we will see next time, and then start with the new chapter. Okay, I want to do that because that's a bigger sum and we are almost on ending at the time limit is ending. That's okay, we will do a little later, no problem. We don't have to finish everything in one go only. We'll take our time. We'll just copy this. And once you are done, please let me know. I would suggest start with exercise 2.3. There are 4 or 5 sums that are there. Okay, क्योंकि सैटरडे को हम एक ही एग्जाम्पल है वो खत्म करके ये एक्सरसाइज वैसे ही होमवर्क के लिए करने वाले हैं, प्लस लीनियर इक्वेशन की कुछ एक्सरसाइज शायद आ जाएगी, ये आ ही जाएगी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. सो इट इज बेटर दैट यू डू एज मेनी एज यू कैन फ्रॉम दिस एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज 2.3. जितने हो सकते उतने कर लो, जो नहीं आता है वो देखेंगे हम. If you finished copying, please let me know. I'll be sending you the exercise ka image.